Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV, and I am very very upset not at the Reggae Girls because they went out there and gave their all. They really represented themselves. Not the best, but I thought that they gave all that they can and to the limit that they possibly could go. So certainly. But 85 minutes, a Canadian player is down. And Reggae Girls, Canada team, other girls went by to the sideline, take some instruction from the coach. When I look at the Reggae Girls, when the camera went to the Reggae Girls, I see Najara Lewis giving instructions to the team. And when I look at the bench, I see the coach is sitting on the bench. And that really got me very upset. Anyways, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Share the video if you wish to. It won't be a long one. There's so much to discuss in this game. First goal, that was a very good first goal. The Canadian attacker drive through the middle of the park, unchallenged actually, and she really finds that extra amount of energy to put the ball in the back of the net. Second goal, Destiny Powell was caught locking on the ball, got picked, and then the Canada striker got their second of the match. The third goal, what was the third goal? Yeah, so much goal, once a goal score, me lose count. I think the third goal was a cutback from him behind and a wonderful strike from the midfielder following through in the 18-yard box. They score some really good goals, people. I have to say, some brilliant goals, beautiful goals. They played us off the park. They look better, they look fitter, they look more technical. They played a lot of assurance. They know when to pass the ball, they know when to recycle the ball. They look well, like a well-coached, well-oiled footballing machine. Now, I'm worried because if that is the display that we have given against Canada, and then we're going up against USA, which is going to be a tougher opponent, what's going to be the end result of that? Certainly, I went into the game very optimistic that at least we can get a draw from the game, quite well knowing the level of opponent we're going up against. I'm a supporter. You can say I'm an analyst, but in the same sense, I'm a supporter. I won't just set my team is just going to turn up and turn over like that. I at least have some level of pride and said we're going to play for something. But definitely, we saw the girls went out there. They played with some level of pride. Unfortunately, their level is just not at that level of the Canadian team. And that's football. That's definitely football. Football is there are levels in football, and certainly we can learn from this. Hopefully we can learn from this, that the preparation has to be right, everything has to be right for us to achieve what we want to achieve. But here, people, coaches, you have to do better than that. You have to do better than that. You're not there, you're not at the game to spectate. You're working. You have to do a lot better than that. And I'm very disappointed, and I thought that you could have done a lot better where that is concerned. But you have to do better than that, man. We have to represent ourselves better than that. Anyways, well tried, girls. We understand what's happening. We see what's happening. In football, that's just how things are. Sometimes you face opponents that are just far superior to you, and you get your face knocked in some here and there every now and then. But certainly, I do think that I have to step down on the coaches on this one. Certainly, we're losing, fine, no problem. But show some level of interest that you're doing it for some purpose. You mean something. But anyways, people, smash the like button, people. I'm out, people. I'm out.